I was feeling a little homesick the last couple of days, so I thought I'd make a chicken parmy with garlic prawns. To start off, we need to pound out our chicken. So I like to put it down on a little board here with some plastic wrap out. We'll just plop the chicken on, then we'll fold the plastic over. This just stops it splattering all over the place. We'll grab a little hammer, and we'll just flatten them out. Okay, once you got your chicken pounded out, you want to get your breading station set up, as I already have here. As always, flour first, nicely coated, no dry spots remaining. And shake off excess. Into egg, make sure there's no dry spots remaining. Then into the panko, and you really want to push the panko in so it sticks. All right, once your chicken's all nicely breaded like that, you want to go through and bread the rest. Once you got all your chicken breaded, we'll crack on with the next step. On a side note, I pounded my chicken out a little bit too much, so it kind of broke up a little bit. But this is going to be my oil tester and a little taste tester, so it's not a bad thing. With my induction plate making a strange noise, we're going to forge ahead. So, I'll put a little bit of oil in the pan, and then follow with a buttload of garlic. All right, just over a low heat, you want to toast this garlic off for about a minute. Once you've toasted your garlic off for a minute there, I'm going to add in some of this black garlic, which I bought the other day in a shop. So, in it goes, we're just going to plop it in whole, and then as it cooks over a low heat, we'll mush it into the fresh garlic. Okay, once you got your black garlic all mushed up, I'm going to go ahead and add the cream. Once I've got my sauce and it's got some more heat into it now, I've just made up a little cornstarch slurry. I'm going to add it straight to the sauce to thicken it up a little. Alright, as the sauce is thickening up slowly, we're going to add some salt. Alright, then we're going to add some lemon zest. Then we're going to add the prawns. Now these are Argentinian red prawns, and they're uncooked, which I didn't know this existed. So, I'm going to plop all those in until they cook through. I had the prawns in here for about 2 minutes, and I'm going to turn them off now, and they'll finish cooking because the sauce has still got some heat into it. So right now, I'm going to add some parsley. We'll add that much for now. We'll give that a stir in, then we'll give it a taste for seasoning. Now for me, the garlic's not coming through enough, so I'm just going to get my microplane here, and I'm going to grate in a clove of garlic, and then we'll taste, and then I'll add some more if I think it needs more garlicky flavour. Alright, once you got your oil up to temperature, just want to cook your chicken in batches until it's nice and golden. Alright, once they're nice and golden brown, you want to take them out, put them on a rack, and then immediately hit it with some salt. Okay, to plate up, and put the chicken on the plate, and then just load it down with the prawn garlic sauce. And then no good Parmi meal's complete without some crinkle cut chips cooked exactly to package directions. There really is nothing quite more Australian than a chicken Parmi. It's just like I'm back at home, sitting at a pub, drinking a beer, scoffing down a Parmi.